Hey everyone, Chris Engelbert here with Engelbert Financial Advisors in beautiful Allentown, Pennsylvania on Wednesday, June 17th, 2020. You can see what my talk is going to be about today. We're going to talk about the fact that we believe over the next several months that the headlines are really going to dominate the investment markets. And the reason why we say that is because look what happened in the last week or so. Last Thursday, we had some negative news on the economy. We had some reports that they didn't have a COVID-19 cure, and it wasn't very promising, and the market peeled off about 1,800 points in one day. Now, previous to that, our indicators had been stretched, and we were looking for about a 6, 7, 8% pullback. In fact, I'd commented to some clients that I was expecting that. Well, guess what? We got it all in one day. Now, what happens when you get a decline like that last Thursday of 1,800 points or about 6% in one day? Well, it turns out that we track various investment statistics, and one of them is volume up and volume down. And we had over a 95% down volume day. Anything over an 80% down volume day tends to let you know that there's been a short-term bottom in place. And sure enough, Friday we saw the market rally, Monday and Tuesday it's rallied. Now today it's flat, but we've seen almost a recovery of the entire 1,800 points that were declined. Not quite, but almost. But the point that we're trying to make is that you're going to see that this market is not really trading on fundamentals anymore. What it's really doing is it's trading on headline news. As the states begin to open up and you see a possible spike in COVID-19 cases, that'll generate negative headline news. You're also going to see some continued information on companies that are literally declaring bankruptcy, like Hertz. HTZ is the symbol. And again, anytime we mention a company, it's not a recommendation to buy or sell that company. We're just using that as an example. But the point that I'm trying to make here is that we are in a headline-dominated investment environment. You've got Fed meetings where they're talking about keeping interest rates low until 2022, and that acted as a bullish catalyst, along with rumors of $1 trillion spending to help the economy go as far as infrastructure, and that really lit off the market as well. So what we're trying to tell you is don't get discouraged if you see negative headline news. It will come. And then obviously as we get into September, October, the election is going to really dominate what's going on with the stock market. So that's our update for Wednesday, June 17th. Our thoughts, our comments. Again, if you want to follow us, go to our website, engelbertfa.com. Put in your email address, and I send out about every 7 to 10 days a market update on what we think is going on out there. Obviously, every Wednesday we're doing live Twitter hits and also live Facebook hits as well. But if you download my app by texting Chris E to 36260, you can follow along with our content on there as well. So hope you have a great rest of the week. Sunday's Father's Day, as if anybody can't remember that. And hope everybody has a wonderful Father's Day, and we'll talk to you soon.